Welcome to the Anatomy and Physiology Lab in Hagedorn Hall, serving the mission for the School of Health Professions and Human Services. There are 4 digital dissection tables, display screens, and a wall-mounted unit. The Anatomosh software allows for students to interact with human anatomy on a high-resolution platform. Here, Hofstra is training the next generation of New York's healthcare workers to deliver the best healthcare possible using state-of-the-art technology. These spaces provide critical hands-on experience that students can take directly into their work in the communities where they will serve. This lab serves as the primary learning location for Anatomy and Physiology 1 and 2 for undergrad students. This is an interdisciplinary lab space that is open to all undergraduate and graduate students and faculty. Hofstra University is the only institution of higher learning in New York State to have a digital anatomy suite featuring this equipment. The school offers undergraduate and graduate programs. Go to hofstra.edu or contact admissions to find out more.